I'm with Silverflame, and this is how to ruin a perfectly good t-shirt. So we got our shirt here, and we're gonna reach in the bag, find a color. Let's use blue, because I already know what I'm gonna put on there. Oh. Okay, so first of all, we're just gonna put, of course, the best thing to ever do, which is to it's hard to draw on a shirt. Subscribe to, you probably know what the name is. PewDiePie. Because you should do that. Alright. Close that cap up. Now, we're just going to think of a few random words that our brain randomly strings together. Such as drink liquid dog food. So, we're going to write drink liquid dog food on there. Drink. If you can hear my grandparents in the background talking, I am very sorry. It's backwards on your screen, ain't it? I can fix that. Drink. Liquid. You're gonna misspell liquid. I didn't misspell anything else, have I? I don't think so. Dog. Food. Alright. Next, you can reach in there and dig around. Whatever color you pull out, that's what color goes on there next. So silver. And then you're just going to put a random number. 4. That's not silver, that's more of a gold color. Oh, that's why. Worn. What the fuck? I don't know if you could read that, but it says worn on there for some reason. Any war folks? I don't know. So, you're going to grab another random color. Just color over that, because you want to get rid of that mess up. So you got the number 4 there. Alright. Because that's shit. Because I can only count to 4, so next you're going to write a random name. So I'm going to write Jimmy Slimfoot. This is good if you have characters and one of them is a crackhead. You know, when I'm typing Slimfoot, sometimes I accidentally put too many letters in there and I put like 2 I's or something like that. And that's not how you spell his name. So you're going to put Jimmy Slimfoot, you're going to put an underline underneath it. It's supposed to look like that, it's supposed to have 4 dots. Because I can only count to 4. Maggie, because my dog's name is Maggie. So we're going to write Maggie on there. I think that's how my grandmother spelled her name. I don't know. Next we're going to write my other dog, Jessie. He was actually named after my pet on Wizard 101. Jessie. Alright. Next we're going to write my cat's name, which is Mickey. Not named after Mickey Mouse. We actually got his name because my younger cousin wanted to name him Milky. But that sounded too stupid. So we named it Mickey. I've got another color. I think it's the same color I wrote Slimfoot, Jimmy Slimfoot in. But who cares? We're just going to put a little tiny smiley face up here. Dang it. Next we're going to put a triangle because Illuminati. Then we're going to draw a cherry. That was a good circle, actually. Next, we're going to take green, and we're just going to run it down through here. Because why not? I mean, this ain't how to make a shirt look awesome. This is how to ruin a perfectly good t-shirt. So next we're going to get pink, and we're going to write blue. Because you know why? Because we're stupid. So we're going to write blue. We're also going to misspell blue on accident. Because we're stupid. Next we're going to... Ow, my arm itches. Next, I'm grabbing all the same colors over and over again. Next we're going to write red. Well, we're going to write it in blue because we're dumb. And we're going to put the D backwards. And then we're also going to put rum afterwards because murder. And then, after we do that, we're going to try to grab a color we haven't used yet. We've used this color. We've used green before. Anyway, we're going to write green on there now. Actually, we're going to put a little line because we don't really care. We're stupid. What do we care? Oh, shit. Then we're going to get whatever the hell this color is, and we're going to write poo-poo. I think I put poo-poo. It looks like poop. Oh, shit, that's funny. We're going to write poo-poo. And we're going to put an exclamation point after of it. And we're going to pull the shirt up a little bit. And we're going to draw on this. We're going to draw demonetization. Oh, this is going to get my video removed. And then we're going to take another color. Oh, I'm going straight to hell. Okay. Then we're going to get another color, this thin blue. Come here, you asshole. Alright, we're going to get another color. And then we gotta put some veins in it, because you know I got a veiny one, so we gotta put some veins in it. Alright. Then we're gonna put a big red circle for reasons. And I'm also gonna put some lines after it for reasons. You know. Just for reasons. Because we can't draw, so what does it matter? Nobody's going to know what that means. But after that, we're going to write this. We're just going to put racism is fucked up. Alright, and now that's going to get us in trouble by our grandparents because we're going to be wearing this in videos. So our mom is going to have to call us about this, and our grandparents will be like, Braden, I don't want you wearing that t-shirt. You've got a penis on there. You've got racism is effed up on there. You've got all kinds of stuff on there that shouldn't be on there. Well, who cares? Next, we're going to get a highlighter. And we're just going to highlight right through here. And because we know how to, that was like a T. Now it doesn't. Now it's just like shit. Alright. Next we're gonna write in red because you'll see why we're writing in red. Where do I write this at? Right here we're gonna write fuck T-Series. So that way now it says fuck T-Series, subscribe to PewDiePie. And drink liquid dog food. Oh, silver. That's good. I think this was actually silver too. I don't think that's the one that's messed up. We're just going to put a big inverted cross. Because this is actually the cross of St. Peter. And we're going to fill in these lines from our wrinkled shirt. Because this shirt's more wrinkled than an old lady's ass. And we're just going to fill all this in right through here. And that's going to be an inverted cross on the back. And then we're just going to write down here, penis. And then we're going to get an orange, because we're not done yet. This is a 15-minute video, we're not done yet. We got to get that ad revenue that I'm not going to get. And we're just going to write, bitch. Hey, spell lasagna. I think I misspelled that. But who cares? We're stupid, so